I love Aquinas Academy for many different reasons. There's a lot of time and effort put in by each of the teachers to each individual student, and that really shows when a student needs help. For example, teachers will be willing to meet with the students before class, after class, during school. The relationship that students have with their teachers and how well the teachers get to know the students, and that's really helped me grow as a student and as an individual at Aquinas.
What we love about Aquinas is really the faith-based education and how the education here really truly is an extension of family. We love that our daughter comes to school, we know she's going to be given strong academics, but we also know that she's going to be loved, and we know that she's in a Christ-centered environment, and that to us is so important.
What I love about Aquinas is that everybody knows everybody. The teachers will help you because they know you and what you need.
What I love most about Aquinas Academy and teaching is that it's not just a job, but it's a real blessing. Aquinas Academy is a very special place. I'm surrounded by other wonderful faculty members and the families and the students who really compound and make Aquinas to be the special place that it is.
There is no responsibility greater for a parent than the intellectual and spiritual formation of their children. And we take that very seriously at Aquinas Academy, knowing that that's been entrusted to us. The school was founded on two pillars, one being to provide a strong academic foundation in the classical tradition, and the other being to do that in an atmosphere of strong spiritual formation, faithful to the magisterium of the church. On a daily basis, it is a pleasure to walk into classroom and see students, both young and old, asking the big questions, the right questions, and engaging the discussion that leads to understanding. That happens because teachers love their students and they love their subjects. They're passionate about what they're teaching. At Aquinas Academy, we recognize that we're a community of learners, students, faculty, and parents alike. And our goal and our hope is that we will make the world a better place, all for the glory of God.